In this review, we take a close look at the eufy Security 3K dual camera, the SoloCam S340. This solar-powered wireless outdoor camera promises 360-degree coverage with no blind spots, and it comes without any monthly fees. Let's dive into the features and performance. First, the dual camera system captures ultra-clear 3K resolution at up to 40 feet, with 8x zoom for detailed viewing. The solar panel keeps the camera charged continuously, so you can install it once and forget about it. No more worrying about battery changes or running cables. The 360-degree pan and tilt functionality is impressive. When mounted vertically, the camera can rotate to cover every angle, eliminating blind spots. You can monitor your front porch, backyard, and driveway with ease. The installation process is straightforward and takes about 7 minutes. The camera is compact and wire-free, making it easy to place anywhere. One of the biggest advantages is the local storage. With built-in 8 GB of storage, there are no monthly fees or hidden costs. Your footage is stored locally, ensuring privacy and security. The eufy Security app provides easy access to live views, recorded clips, and settings. Image quality is excellent both day and night. The night vision is clear, and the motion detection is accurate with customizable zones to reduce false alerts. The two-way audio allows you to communicate with visitors or scare off intruders. The build quality is solid, and the camera is weather-resistant. However, the solar panel orientation may need adjustment depending on your location's sun exposure. The app interface is user-friendly, though some advanced features have a learning curve. Overall, the eufy SoloCam S340 is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a hassle-free security solution with no ongoing costs. Its solar power, 360-degree coverage, and local storage make it a standout product. Highly recommended for those who want reliable outdoor security without monthly subscriptions.